Tired of juggling separate tools for emails, your sales pipeline, and social media? This digital chaos drains your budget and obscures your business data. HighLevel promises to be the single, all-in-one platform to replace them all. With over 1.4 million businesses in its ecosystem, it's clearly making waves. So today, we're going to give our hands-on review of HighLevel and show you the powerful CRM your business has been waiting for. Getting started with HighLevel for the first time can be a bit overwhelming. There are buttons, menus, and dashboards everywhere. However, once you spend a little time navigating, you realize there's a clear logic to the layout. The left sidebar is where you'll find the essentials. Your dashboard for an overview of activities, conversations for managing client communication, marketing for campaigns, automation for workflows, and sites for web-related tasks. Every main function is grouped here for easy access. Across the top bar, you have tools for switching between accounts without logging out, searching across the platform, and quick action buttons for things like making a phone call. It's an information-rich environment, but its organization means that once you learn the layout, moving through tasks becomes highly efficient. Now it's time to get into the details. The dashboard is your command center, and its greatest strength is its profound customizability. Instead of a static, one-size-fits-all view, HighLevel lets you build the exact dashboard you need. We were impressed with the widget library. You can pull in virtually any metric that matters to you: total contacts, confirmed appointments, pipeline value, opportunity stages, even website visitor data, and Google Analytics stats. The experience is less about being given a dashboard and more about being given the tools to construct your own. You can drag, drop, and resize widgets to create a visual summary of your business's health. For anyone who loves data and wants an immediate, personalized snapshot of their key performance indicators, this feature is a significant win. If you run a marketing agency, two features will immediately grab your attention: Subaccounts and Snapshots. A subaccount is essentially a completely separate, firewalled HighLevel account for each of your clients, all managed under your single agency login. This is brilliant for organization and privacy, which ensures no client data ever crosses over. But the real magic is in Snapshots. A snapshot is a complete template of an account setup, including funnels, email campaigns, automation workflows, pipelines, and more. Once you perfect a setup for one client, you can save it as a snapshot and deploy it to a new dentist client in minutes. This feature alone can save hundreds of hours in setup time, which makes it one of HighLevel's most powerful assets for any business that serves multiple clients with similar needs. A CRM is useless without leads, and HighLevel provides a formidable stack of tools to capture them. The form builder is robust and intuitive. It's a simple drag-and-drop experience, allowing you to create anything from a simple contact form to a multi-step survey without touching a line of code. But it doesn't stop there. You can capture leads directly from social media ad forms on Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok, with the data flowing straight into the CRM. Our favorite is the integrated chat widget for your website. You can customize its look and feel, and it allows customers to contact you via SMS or web chat, with all conversations landing in one unified inbox. HighLevel even cleverly turns calendars and payments into lead capture opportunities. When someone books a meeting through an integrated calendar or makes a purchase through a payment link, their information is automatically captured and added as a contact. This multi-pronged approach ensures you're capturing potential customers at every possible touchpoint. Constantly switching between your email inbox, social media DMs, and SMS app is a major productivity killer. HighLevel's Conversations tab solves this beautifully. It's a unified inbox where every single client communication, be it email, SMS, Facebook message, or Google Business Chat, appears in a single threaded view. This centralization is more than just convenient, it's transformative for customer service. Your entire team can see the full history of communication with a lead, ensuring quick handoffs and preventing anyone from slipping through the cracks, all from one screen. It's one of the platform's stickiest and most valuable features. Managing a sales process is far more effective when you can see it. HighLevel's Opportunities and Pipelines feature provides a clean, visual, Kanban-style board for your sales funnel. You create the stages of your pipeline, from new lead to meeting booked to contract sent and won, and then simply drag and drop deals from one stage to the next. This visual approach is incredibly intuitive and satisfying, but the real power lies in its connection to automation. Moving a lead from one stage to another can trigger a whole sequence of events, like sending a follow-up email or assigning a task to a team member, which ensures your process runs on autopilot. If HighLevel has a superpower, it's automation. The Workflow Builder is an incredibly powerful and flexible engine that allows you to automate almost any repetitive task in your business. It works on a simple trigger and action system. A trigger could be anything: a form submission, a booked appointment, a clicked link, or a tag being added to a contact. Once triggered, you can build a sequence of actions. Send an email, wait 2 days, send an SMS, add a task for a salesperson, and so on. The drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible, but the logic you can build is sophisticated. The if-else condition, for instance, lets you create branching paths in your automation. For example, if a contact opens an email, send them offer A. If not, send them a reminder in 3 days. This level of conditional logic allows for deeply personalized and effective marketing funnels that run 24/7. True to its all-in-one promise, HighLevel's Marketing tab centralizes your core promotional activities. You can build and send email campaigns, schedule your social media posts across multiple platforms, and even track the performance of your Google and Facebook ads. And once your campaigns are running, the Reporting tab gives you the data you need to optimize them. We were impressed by the breadth of the reporting suite. You can pull dedicated reports for your Google ads, Facebook ads, call activities, and appointment metrics. The Attribution Report is particularly powerful, helping you understand which marketing channels are actually driving revenue and closing deals, which gives you the clarity needed to double down on what works. HighLevel sets out to be the only software a marketing-focused business needs, and it comes remarkably close to achieving that goal. The sheer breadth of its feature set, from lead capture and communication to automation and reporting, is its greatest strength. The automation engine is genuinely best in class, and the features for agencies are unparalleled. They offer a 14-day free trial, but you can make it a 30-day one by signing up from the link in the description below. If you're tired of paying for 10 different tools and want a single, powerful command center to run your sales and marketing, HighLevel isn't just an option, it's a serious need for your business. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.